In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox thinking that you're on mobile. So the first step is to type in device manager so you can disable the touchscreen device. So go to search and then type in device manager. Enter. And now open up the human interface devices. So expand it and then you'll see a lot of devices here. Search for the one that's called HID compliant touchscreen. Right now I don't have one, but when you find it, just right click on it and then click on disable device, and that should fix your problem. And if it's still there, then another thing you can do is to disable Windows pen and ink. So type in services in your Windows search, and then over here just type in W on your keyboard. Make sure to focus on the window first. W just to filter the search for Windows pen and ink. And when you find Windows pen and ink over here, just keep searching for it, right click on it just like you did, and then click on stop once you find it. Right now I don't have it, and that hopefully should fix your problem. And the last step you can do, if anything, any of the previous ones didn't work, just reinstall Roblox. So go to programs, enter, and then over here just search for Roblox, and then once you find it, click on the three dots, uninstall, and then just reinstall it from the Roblox website. And hopefully this fixes your issue. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.